Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how I cook Khudhra Thabiek with chicken. It has been a while since I last posted. I hope the new year has been good to you and I trust that you are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome to asedoskitchen, and for my returning viewers, welcome back. The ingredients for this recipe are chicken, Molokhia, cinnamon stick, onions, tomato paste, vegeta, cooking oil, salt, black pepper, garlic, cumin and coriander powders. Kindly find the quantities in the description box down below. I start by heating some cooking oil, then add the chicken. I add salt and black pepper to taste and cook this for 5 minutes or until there are no traces of pink left in the chicken. I now remove the chicken and put it in a clean bowl. In the same pot, I add the onions and set the chicken aside. I fry the onions until they turn slightly golden and add the tomatoes. I add a cinnamon stick, vegeta and coriander powder, followed by 2 cups of water. I cook this for 10 to 15 minutes or until the water has reduced. I roughly crush the onions with a wooden spoon as shown here. I add the tomato paste, garlic and cumin powder, followed by the defrosted jute mallow. They are partially frozen, but since they're soft, it won't take long to completely defrost, so I break them apart while stirring. There are no more lumps left, so I add a little water and cook covered on medium heat for 10 minutes. Don't add too much water at this point, as you can always adjust it before turning the heat off. I add the chicken back into the pot and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes on the lowest heat setting. This time will ensure that all the ingredients and flavors blend well together. Always keep an eye on it and stir halfway through this time to prevent it from burning. I served this with injera. Though injera is an Ethiopian staple, you will see a lot of it on this channel as it has become a part of my family's go-to staples. If you're new to this channel or have been watching without subscribing, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to be alerted every time I put up a new recipe. Please like, share and comment down below. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Be blessed and see you all in my next one.